Feels so weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing like a everyday makeup tutorial. Like this is literally if I'm doing my makeup for work, really for anything these days, this is what I'm doing. So first, I'll take my glasses off and my hair is my face. So I'm going to put this dumb clip in it and we're going to look stupid like the whole video. I need a mirror. No. Okay, let's just get started. I'm gonna start with primer. I've been using the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas lately. Count how many times I say lately in this video. I, for a couple weeks, wasn't using primer, and I know that that sounds like blasphemous, but I just didn't bring any with me to my apartment. I have all my makeup here, and because I forgot, so I just wasn't using it, and I didn't really feel like it was doing like that much. I got a sample of this and I really liked it, and then I bought it because I was like, so we're on a vacation in New York, but this whole pandemic made it so that I can't. So I just wanted to treat myself and buy some. So now I'm gonna do foundation. I've been using the Purely Perfect Glow BB cream for a while now. It's been at least a year, if not more. This is my favorite like foundation type product. I find that you get a little bit of coverage, but it's not like, once it starts to wear off, it's not weird. I find I prefer for day-to-day lighter coverage foundations, and I don't want to say the whole like, you need to let your skin breathe, because I think that that's so annoying when people say that, like makeup is formulated. Yes, makeup can be irritating, but it's formulated to literally be worn on your face. So if you're using products my god, these little wavy hairs are just redonkulous. Now some of these products are new-ish products to me. Like that primer I've only used a handful of times, but then some of these products are not new. So this is kind of like a full routine, okay? Needed. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with concealer. By the way, I have my makeup bag. This is my everyday makeup bag. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating, what is this? Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. And what I've been doing, put a little bit under my eye and let that kind of like dry a little bit, because if you let your concealer dry a little bit, then get a little bit more coverage. Going with bronzer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Fair Tantour Contour and Cream Bronzer. Crème Effet Bronzé. And this is kind of scary because this is pretty pigmented. And what I do is I put the initial on both, and then I put the cap on, and then I blend it out. And then sometimes I put it on my forehead. I feel like I'm looking real pale in this video, so No! I'm going to. No! I'm gonna... And then actually I'm gonna put some concealer on this freaking group of pimples on my forehead while I wait. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender. This isn't a real beauty blender, my sponge. And start blending it out. Okay. I feel like I look so pale in this video. Should I turn the exposure down one? Is that better? Did that ruin the whole video? Okay. I also... No. I'm just gonna scooch. Okay. Now I let this concealer continue to dry. If it's stressing anybody out, I apologize. I'm gonna do cream blush. So I'm gonna take this Tower 28 Beauty Beach Please Magic Hour. And, okay. I hate this brush. I really like this blush. I feel like putting a cream blush on under my powder and then putting a powder blush on over my powder makes it so that I still have blush at the end of the day, because I love looking like I have too much blush on. And if I don't do both steps, sometimes my blush is like gone by the end of the day. Wow. Okay, Okay, now we're gonna go in with powder. And I've been using the, what brand is this? Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So first I go under my eyes, and then on my eyelid. Then I go under my eye, and then on my eyelid. Anywhere I get shiny first. Then I take some on my puff, put it into the lid, and then I go on the rest of my face. So now I'm gonna do powder bronzer. Hoola Benefit. Why did I look at this as if I literally don't know what this is? And just bronze. And now for blush, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do this Kylie Cosmetics We're Going Shopping blush. Not that I needed any more blush, but third blush. This is an Hourglass Lighting bleh. Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Dim Infusion. This doesn't really have any pigment. This just adds like a little bit of luminosity to the face. I'm just taking this to diffuse it a little bit because it is looking a little crazy on camera. It doesn't look crazy in real life, I promise. You guys are like, sure, Jan. Maybe it does look crazy in real life. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with these Makeup Geek shadows. I tried to film a video yesterday on my phone using these, like first impression, but no, it's just not working. So I'm gonna take the shade, this one shade in my crease. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this, which I'm gonna probably regret. Wow, yeah, I'm regretting that already. So I'm not doing that. And sometimes I even do this with the bronzer. Like if you want to really marry your face together, taking your bronzer in your crease creates a little bit of like consistency in the face. Should I zoom you guys in for this part? And then I'm take a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm gonna take this Morphe PK36 just to deepen it up a little bit, just because I guess I'm feeling fancy. I'm gonna do lashes today. I'm gonna use this one that comes with the Anastasia palettes, and then I take a white, matte white. All of these shadows are matte. Then I put some of my inner corner, pack it on, make it look crazy at first, and then I take a clean brush and blend out the edges. There. And then you have like a little something. And now comes for highlight. Lately I've been using the Jaclyn Cosmetics one, but I don't have that one with me today. So I'm gonna go in with Jamie. I have to get up. Hello. I have to get up and go get one. I'll be right back. There we are. I'm gonna use Champagne Pop. Wow, that looks crazy. Now would be the time for setting spray, but I just got up off my butt to go get a highlighter, so I'm not going back to go get a setting spray. Typically, I don't find setting sprays to be super long wearing, like adding a lot of long wearing ability to my makeup. I just find it settles all the powders down, but I am not leaving the house today, so I don't have to not look powdery. So now it's eyebrows. So I naturally have a 3" by 1" brow. Shout out to Kelsey Kai at Honey Beauty Studio for making me not look like I have one big eyebrow. I'm going to look like I have one big eyebrow because this quarantine, but it's fine. So I just take some brow gels. So these are both by Anastasia. This is the Dip Brow Gel. Not that you can read that because it's worn off. Dark brown and a clear brow gel. So this is what I do. I just like brush my brows with this first to get some pigment, and then get all the powders and makeup that we use off, quote unquote. So there's like pigment in my brows. I take the clear one and then I shape them. So like make them kind of feathery because let's just roll with it. Okay. I should put an okay counter in this video because I'm like, okay. So now comes eyeliner because I'm going to put lashes on. I'm going to use the Balm Schwing, my favorite liner. It's kind of dry at this point. I need a new one. Moment of silence for this. I need to lean up against the couch. I always forget to breathe. One eye down. Third eye blind. Huh? I got some eyeliner on my lid. Am I fixing it? No. I need scissors. Ooh, I stubbed my heel. Okay. Trim your lashes, measure them to your eye, measure them. It's gonna be too big, but it's pretty, yeah, no, that's gonna hurt my eye. The only issue with lashes that are clumped like this is you have to like cut at the clumps, otherwise, ow, the half clump looks weird. What I do is I measure my lashes if they're not worn, because sis, I will rewear some lashes. I'll measure them and then put my mascara on first, or no. I will measure them, cut them, do whatever I need to, put lash glue on them, and then put mascara on, so that while I'm doing mascara, hopefully the lash glue gets tacky enough to then use. Now we do mascara. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in the color Bryn, just the rich black. This is my favorite mascara. If anyone has a connection to Thrive Cosmetics, let them know to send me 100 of these. I put everybody on this. It is a tubing mascara, which means that it doesn't smudge. I have such a bad issue with my mascara and eyeliner smudging, and I find that this mascara doesn't smudge because it's tubing. And it's so easy to take off. So if anyone has a connection to Thrive Cosmetics, please send me 100 of these. Pretty! Next, I put a nude or white eyeliner in my waterline, depending on the day. Actually, I'm just gonna use this mirror. Because I have really dark eyes naturally, and my eyes aren't very big, so I find that I hate putting dark liner on my waterline. Like, it just makes my eyes look brighter. Duh. Okay. Look at that, lash is flying away. And then I haven't been doing a whole lot of lip product lately. I don't have one with me right now in my makeup bag. There's 800 at my desk in the other room, which I have no excuse to not go over there. So I'm just gonna do this Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. Because it's shiny. By the end of this, I always have mascara and eyeliner all over my hand. Okay. And that is the finished kind of makeup of what I wear like day to day. I mean, most days I don't wear a lash anymore because I'm just lazy. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps my videos a lot. Not that I'm uploading videos really anymore anyway, but maybe this quarantine will make me make more. Okay. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It helps my videos a lot. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Give me a like just because this hair isn't doing what I want it to. And I'm gonna jump off a bridge. Ew, my hands are so ashy. Then I take that same